Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the small talks. Have you ever taken up any challenge while trying to switch your career or when you're trying to learn something? I don't think so you would have ever taken up a challenge. Now this time I dare you to take this challenge for the next 6 weeks where you will be given a dashboard, a challenge for the next 6 weeks. You will be given the data set. Now for the data set, you have to find your own questions that you want to solve inside that. So you have to build a dashboard from scratch completely, and then you have to use your own logic to come up with the questions. Now, why is this being done and why I'm starting this challenge, right? So in training career, like of over 4 to 5 years, I have observed like most of the students face this problem where they say that, okay, they are not able to keep the momentum going. So they lose the data. They're not able to get the data for enough practice, right? So here I am providing you the data. I am providing you the data to learn that, right? Now, only objective for you is to keep practicing that for the next 6 weeks, right? And if you do that for the next 6 weeks, if you keep on practicing your skill, I guarantee you that you will be able to make significant process. You will be able to make a significant progress over your career, or if you're trying to do anything, right? So take up this challenge. The only criteria that I have for this is you share this video with your friends, your colleagues, or on any group where you want the people can benefit from this, because I want many people to get the benefit out of this practice sessions that we'll be having. Now, once you take up this challenge for the next 6 weeks, after 6 weeks, we will be having a session on a Sunday for 2 hours, wherein I will be sharing you the best dashboards that has been built over the 6 weeks by different people. Right? So take up this challenge, just subscribe to this and share this video, and in the comment box, put up the comment that, okay, I accept this challenge. You will get the link for the data inside the description. And you will also have a Google form wherein once you complete this dashboard, you can upload this over there. So you have complete 7 days with one data set, all time yours. Just think through this entire thing and see what you can do from there, right? The objective of this is to sharpen your logic building skills. See, you have to understand one thing, that there is a lot of content available on YouTube and other platforms when it comes to visuals, right? So everyone will teach you how you have to build the visuals, but no one talks about how to build the logic, how you have to think, how you to bring up the questions that you want to solve, right? After a while, you will get bored with building the visuals, right? Then what you want to do and how you will be growing in Power BI. That's in, you have to come up with different criteria that you want to solve over there. So I like request you, or I dare you to take up this challenge. Actually, I dare you to take up this challenge and see how you significantly progressing over the next 6 weeks. Thank you so much. And please share this video if you want your friends or your colleagues to improve on their skills. Thank you so much.